Hello, my name is Mirza and I have autism. And today I'm going to show you how to wrap pandan chicken. Okay, this leaf is a bit short, so I'm going to use a longer leaf for demonstration purposes. Alright, this is about the same length, never mind. The first thing we want to do is wrap it like this. It's a bit hard to see by a video, but okay. So this is what it should look like. And now we put this leaf through this hole. We do this so that when we put it through the hole, all the chicken doesn't get blocked, because it doesn't just block it. And now we put in the chicken. So now it should look something like this, but on the other side the chicken's falling out, so I need a moment to tighten it. Sorry about this. I want this to be short, but it's just okay. Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna ignore that. And now we just do the same. We just put this leaf through the same hole as the other one. It's a bit difficult. The way I'm doing it, the backbone just of this leaf just makes it harder for me. So, all right. This backbone. Okay. Okay, and here's what it should look like. And here's the back view. Actually, this piece of chicken should not be sticking out. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these, as you can probably tell. And goodbye. Have a great day.